Hey there, welcome back to Nest Egg Nation. Let me ask you something important. What if I told you there is a completely legal way to never pay taxes on your investment gains ever again? No tricks, no loopholes, no shady stuff. Just a simple retirement account that the government actually created for you. It's called the Roth IRA, and most Americans either don't know about it or think it's too complicated to understand. Today, we're going to change that forever. By the end of this video, you will know exactly what a Roth IRA is, how it works, why it's one of the most powerful wealth-building tools ever created, and exactly how to open one today. This is the video I wish someone showed me 10 years ago. So let's get into it right now. So what exactly is a Roth IRA? Let's break it down in the simplest way possible. IRA stands for Individual Retirement Account. Think of it as a special container, like a box that holds your investments. Now, inside that box you can put stocks, bonds, index funds, ETFs, basically any investment you want. But here is the magical part that makes the Roth IRA different from every other retirement account.
The money you put in has already been taxed. So when you take it out in retirement, every single dollar of growth, every dividend, every gain comes out completely tax-free. Zero. Nothing. The government gets nothing. Imagine putting in $10,000, watching it grow to $200,000 over 30 years, and then keeping every single penny of that growth. No tax bill, no surprise deductions.
Just pure wealth in your pocket. That is exactly what the Roth IRA does for you. Now you might be wondering, what is the difference between a Roth IRA and a traditional IRA? This is super important, so pay close attention. With a traditional IRA, you put money in before paying taxes, so you get a tax break today. But when you retire and take the money out, you pay taxes on everything, including all your gains. With a Roth IRA, it is the exact opposite. You put money in after taxes, no break today. But when you retire, everything comes out completely tax-free. So which one is better? For most people, especially younger Americans, the Roth IRA wins every single time. Here is why. Right now, you are probably in a lower tax bracket than you will be at retirement. So you pay a small tax today on the money going in, and then avoid a much bigger tax bill later, when your account has grown to hundreds of thousands of dollars. Pay a little now, save a fortune later. That is the Roth IRA. Advantage in one sentence. All right, so now you are excited about the Roth IRA. Great, but how much can you actually put in every year? For 2025, the years allows you to contribute up to $7,000 per year to your Roth IRA. If you are 50 years old or older, they give you an extra $1,000 catch up contribution, so $8,000 total. Now I know what you are thinking. $7,000 sounds like a lot, but break it down and it becomes very manageable. That is only $583 per month, or about $135 per week, or just $19 per day. $19 a day going into a tax-free account that compounds over decades if you start at 25 and contribute the maximum every single year until retirement at 65, assuming a conservative 7% annual return. You will have over $1.4 million completely tax-free. $1.4 million from $19 a day. That is the Roth IRA in action. Now, before you rush off to open a Roth IRA, there are some income limits you need to know about. The IRS puts income restrictions on who can contribute directly to a Roth IRA. For 2025, if you are single and earn less than $150,000 per year, you can contribute the full amount. If you earn between $150,000 and $165,000, your contribution limit gets reduced gradually. And if you earn above $165,000 as a single filer, you cannot contribute directly. For married couples filing jointly, the limits are higher. Full contribution allowed under $236,000 per year. Now, if your income is above these limits, do not worry. There is a perfectly legal strategy called the backdoor Roth IRA conversion that still lets you get all the same tax-free benefits. We will cover that in a future video. But for most everyday Americans watching this right now, you qualify completely, and there is zero reason not to open one today. Okay, so you qualify and you are ready to open your Roth IRA. Great decision. Here is exactly how to do it step by step. First, choose a brokerage. The best options for beginners in 2025 are Fidelity, Vanguard, and Charles Schwab. All three are completely free to open, have zero account minimums, and offer excellent investment options. I personally recommend Fidelity for beginners because of their simple interface and outstanding customer support. Second, go to their website and click Open an Account. Select Roth IRA from the Account Type menu. Fill in your personal information, name, address, social security number, and employment details. Third, fund your account. You can start with as little as $1. Link your bank account and transfer whatever amount you are comfortable with, even $50 to start. The important thing is to just start today. Fourth, choose your investments. For beginners, the absolute best choice is a total market index fund or an S&P 500 index fund. These automatically diversify your money across hundreds of companies. Set it up once and let it grow for decades. Now let me save you from the mistakes that cost most people thousands of dollars with their Roth IRA. Mistake number one, waiting too long to start. Every single year you delay costs you tens of thousands of dollars in lost compound growth. The best time to open a Roth IRA was 10 years ago. The second best time is today. Mistake number two, leaving your money in cash inside the account. This is one of the biggest errors beginners make. Opening a Roth IRA and not investing the money is like buying a car and never putting gas in it. You must invest the money inside the account. Choose an index fund and put that money to work immediately. Mistake number three, withdrawing money early. If you take money out of your Roth IRA before age 59 and a half, you will face a 10% penalty plus taxes on the gains. Leave it alone. Let it compound. Your future self will be extremely grateful. Mistake number four, contributing more than the annual limit. The IRS charges a 6% penalty on excess contributions every single year. Until you fix it, know your limit and stay within it. Avoid these four mistakes and your Roth IRA will be one of the greatest financial decisions of your entire life. All right, here is your simple action plan to get started with your Roth IRA this week. Step 1, today, go to fidelity.com and open your Roth IRA account right now. It takes less than 10 minutes. Step 2, this week, link your bank account and make your first contribution, even if it is just $50. The amount does not matter as much as the habit. Step 3, choose your investment.
Search for FSROX, that is Fidelity 0.
Total Market Index Fund. 0 fees. Total market exposure. Perfect for beginners. Step 4. Set up automatic monthly contributions. Even $100 per month invested consistently over decades will build serious wealth. Step 5. Never touch it. Set it and forget it. Let compound interest do the heavy lifting while you live your life. Friends,
The Roth IRA is genuinely one of the most powerful tools the American government has ever created for everyday people to build wealth, and most people never use it. You now know better. If this video helped you, please drop a like, share it with someone who needs to hear this, and subscribe to Nest Egg Nation for a new money video every single Saturday. I will see you next week. Take care and go build that wealth.